In today's video, I'll show you how to add a tag to a task in Asana. Tags are simple, colorful labels you can stick onto any task, and they make it incredibly easy to group and find related work later, no matter which project it lives in. Think of them like sticky notes you can search across your whole workspace. Let's jump in. To start, I'll open up the task I want to label. I've got one here called Review Q3 Vendor Quotes, so I'll click to open it now. With the task open, the tagging option lives in the Actions menu. I'll click the 3 dots in the top right corner to see everything I can do with this task. Look at all these handy options. The one I'm after is Add Tags, so I'll click that now. A brand new Tags field appears right on the task. Now I'll simply type the name of the tag I want. I'm going to label this one Client Priority since it's work that a client is waiting on. Asana doesn't have this tag yet, so it's offering to create it for me. I'll click Create Tag for Client Priority to make it official. And there it is. My task is now tagged with Client Priority. The best part is that this tag now works across my entire workspace. If I ever want to see every single task marked Client Priority, no matter what project it's in, I can just click the tag or search for it, and Asana pulls them all together in one place. To recap, open your task, click the 3 dots for more actions, choose Add Tags, type your label, and click Create Tag. Quick, colorful, and a lifesaver when your workspace starts filling up. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.